In the animal kingdom, some creatures steal the spotlight: lions, eagles, elephants. These majestic animals are often the poster children for wildlife documentaries and nature magazines, celebrated for their power, grace, and sheer presence. But for every king of the jungle or ruler of the skies, there are countless, lesser-known animals quietly going about their lives, playing vital roles in the ecosystem. But today, meet the armadillo, nature's tiny tank and a marvel of evolution. This small armored mammal may not have the grandeur of a lion or the wingspan of an eagle, but it possesses a unique charm and resilience all its own. The armadillo is a creature that has adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments, from dense forests to open grasslands, and even suburban backyards. With a shell that rivals a knight's armor and a quirky personality, the armadillo is a survivor from an ancient world. Its protective shell, made of bony plates covered in tough skin, is a natural suit of armor that has helped it endure predators and environmental changes for millions of years. This remarkable adaptation is not just for show, it's a testament to the armadillo's evolutionary ingenuity. Its name means little armored one, and the Aztecs called it turtle rabbit, a perfect description for this oddball. The armadillo's appearance is both endearing and peculiar, with its elongated snout, beady eyes, and rabbit-like ears peeking out from beneath its shell. It's a creature that seems to have been assembled from spare parts, yet every feature serves a purpose. Imagine a creature with a turtle's shell and a rabbit's energy, trundling through forests and backyards. The armadillo's gait is unmistakable. Low to the ground, determined, and surprisingly quick when it needs to be. Whether it's foraging for food or evading danger, this little mammal is always on the move, exploring its world with curiosity and caution. Armadillos prove you don't need size or ferocity to survive, just a good defense and a taste for grubs. Their diet is a smorgasbord of insects, grubs, and other invertebrates which they sniff out with their keen sense of smell. With powerful claws, they dig into the earth, unearthing hidden meals that many other animals overlook. This makes them important pest controllers in their habitats. While other animals have vanished, the armadillo has thrived thanks to its unique skills. Its adaptability allows it to live in a wide range of environments, from rainforests to deserts and even urban areas. The armadillo's ability to find food, shelter, and safety in so many places is a testament to its resourcefulness and tenacity. It can hold its breath for 6 minutes, allowing it to cross streams and flooded areas with ease. This surprising skill helps the armadillo escape predators and reach new territories, making it one of the few mammals that can truly navigate both land and water. It can also leap 4 feet in the air when startled, a remarkable feat for such a low-slung animal. This sudden burst of energy can startle predators and give the armadillo a crucial head start when danger is near. And when it comes to family, the armadillo is full of surprises. It gives birth to identical quadruplets, a rare phenomenon in the animal world. These siblings share the same genetic makeup, growing up together in the safety of their mother's burrow, learning the skills they'll need to survive. Ancient yet modern, tough yet vulnerable, the armadillo is the ultimate underdog. It has survived ice ages, predators, and habitat changes, yet it remains a humble, often overlooked creature. Its story is one of quiet perseverance and remarkable adaptation. So, let's peel back the layers and discover the surprises this little armored one has in store. From its unusual habits to its vital role in the ecosystem, the armadillo is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Forget the roadkill stereotype. This is a complex, fascinating animal with a story stretching back 60 million years. Its lineage dates to a time when giant relatives roamed the earth, and its continued survival is a testament to its adaptability. It's time to give the armadillo its moment in the spotlight. Let's celebrate this unsung hero whose quiet strength and quirky ways have helped it endure when so many others have faded away. Get ready to be amazed by one of nature's most peculiar and persistent creations. The armadillo may not roar or soar, but its story is every bit as extraordinary, and it's finally time for this little armored wonder to shine. The armadillo's family tree is as eccentric as it gets. Armadillos belong to Xenarthra, a superorder that includes sloths and anteaters, odd relatives with unique spines and unconventional lifestyles. Native to the Americas, these animals evolved in isolation, developing their own quirks. Today, there are 21 armadillo species, from the tiny pink fairy armadillo to the giant armadillo stretching nearly 5 feet. Each is a specialist, perfectly adapted to its environment. The 9-banded armadillo, the U.S. icon, journeyed north from South America and now thrives across the American South. When you spot an armadillo, remember, you're seeing a living piece of ancient South American history. Even the most familiar backyard animal can have roots that run deep and strange. The armadillo's claim to fame is its remarkable armor, a bony shell known as a carapace, made up of overlapping plates that are covered in tough keratin, the same material found in our fingernails and hair. This unique structure gives the armadillo its instantly recognizable, almost prehistoric appearance, setting it apart from nearly every other mammal on Earth. This natural shield is more than just a suit of armor, it's a marvel of evolution, honed over millions of years to protect the armadillo from a world full of threats. Whether it's a hungry predator or the harsh elements, the carapace acts as a first line of defense, allowing the armadillo to survive in environments where few others could. Among the many species of armadillo, only the three-banded armadillo has the extraordinary ability to roll itself into a perfect ball, completely enclosing its vulnerable underbelly. This trick is so effective that even large predators are left baffled, unable to find a weak spot. The rest of the armadillo family, though, have their own clever strategies, relying on their tough shells and lightning-fast digging skills to escape danger in a flash. For most armadillos, the armor is too rigid to allow rolling, but this rigidity is exactly what makes them such a tough meal for any would-be attacker. Their shells are so strong that even the jaws of a coyote or a wildcat struggle to break through, forcing predators to look elsewhere for an easier target. When threatened, armadillos don't just rely on their armor, they dash into thorny brush, burrow rapidly into the ground, or wedge themselves tightly between rocks and roots, exposing only their armored backs. This combination of speed, agility, and natural protection makes them incredibly difficult to catch or harm. The number of bands on an armadillo's shell isn't just for show. It actually gives them flexibility, allowing them to move, bend, and even curl up to some extent. Each species has a different number of bands, which helps scientists identify them and understand how they've adapted to their environments. Armadillo pups are born with soft, leathery armor that gradually hardens over the first few weeks of life. As they grow, their shells become the tough, protective shields they'll rely on for the rest of their lives, a transformation that's as fascinating as it is vital for their survival. This built-in defense system is the armadillo's secret weapon, allowing it to thrive in habitats ranging from dense forests to open grasslands. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, showing how evolution can turn vulnerability into strength. The shell isn't just a static shield, it's a living, growing part of the armadillo, constantly renewing itself as the animal matures. Armadillos even groom and maintain their armor, keeping it in top condition to face whatever challenges come their way. In the wild, the armadillo's shell is a constant reminder that sometimes, the best defense is a good defense. It allows them to stand their ground, outwit predators, and survive against the odds. For the armadillo, its armor isn't just protection. It's an identity, a legacy, and the key to its survival in a world full of danger. Beyond the shell, the armadillo is a master of adaptation. This fascinating creature has evolved a suite of unique features that make it a true marvel of nature. From its keen sense of smell to its powerful digging claws, the armadillo is perfectly equipped to thrive in its environment. Its eyesight is poor, but its sense of smell is extraordinary, able to sniff out insects buried deep underground. This heightened olfactory ability allows the armadillo to detect food sources that are hidden from view, ensuring it can find sustenance even in the most challenging conditions. Coarse hairs between its armor act like whiskers, helping it navigate in the dark. These sensitive hairs pick up vibrations and changes in the environment, guiding the armadillo as it moves through its habitat, whether it's day or night. Long, sharp claws make it a champion digger, essential for food, shelter, and escape. These claws are not just tools for survival, they are finely tuned instruments that allow the armadillo to burrow quickly and efficiently, creating intricate tunnel systems underground. Armadillos can dig a burrow faster than you can with a shovel. Their powerful limbs and claws work in perfect harmony, enabling them to create a safe haven from predators and harsh weather conditions in a matter of minutes. Their teeth are simple, peg-like molars, no incisors or canines, perfect for grinding up insects. These specialized teeth are designed to handle a diet that consists mainly of insects, which are abundant in their habitat. These teeth grow continuously, worn down by gritty soil and tough prey. This constant growth ensures that the armadillo's teeth remain functional throughout its life, allowing it to process its food effectively. Their long, sticky tongues slurp up ants and termites, much like their anteater cousins. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to access a reliable food source that many other animals cannot. Every feature is fine-tuned for survival. From their armored shells to their keen senses, armadillos are built to withstand the challenges of their environment. The armadillo is a specialist, built for a life underground and on the hunt. Its adaptations make it a formidable forager, capable of thriving in a variety of habitats. It's a true survivalist, equipped for any challenge. Whether it's evading predators, finding food, or creating shelter, the armadillo's unique adaptations ensure its success in the wild. The armadillo is an unlikely athlete. Startled, it can leap 3 to 4 feet straight up. a reflex that sometimes leads to unfortunate run-ins with cars. As a digger, it's unmatched, maintaining up to a dozen burrows and engineering homes for other animals. These burrows are safe havens used by rabbits, skunks, and even owls. Armadillos are also surprising swimmers. They can hold their breath for 6 minutes and walk underwater across streams. If the water's too wide, they gulp air, inflate their bodies, and float across like a living pontoon. It's a comical but ingenious solution. Adaptability is their superpower, on land or in water. The armadillo is a resourceful, versatile athlete. It's proof that looks can be deceiving. Armadillos are nature's pest control, feasting on insects and invertebrates. 90% of their diet is bugs, ants, termites, beetle larvae, and earthworms. Their foraging is relentless, using their noses and claws to unearth hidden meals. Watching an armadillo eat is like seeing a living vacuum cleaner in action. Some, like the giant armadillo, can eat up to 200,000 ants in a day. Their appetite keeps insect populations in check, benefiting gardens and farms. They'll also eat small reptiles, eggs, fruit, and even carrion when available. This flexible diet helps them thrive in diverse habitats. Armadillos are opportunistic survivors, always ready for the next meal. Their eating habits are a key to their evolutionary success. Armadillo reproduction is as unique as the animal itself. The 9-banded armadillo can delay pregnancy until conditions are right, ensuring pups are born in spring. Then the fertilized egg splits into 4, producing identical quadruplets every time. These pups are born in burrows, soft-skinned but fully formed. They rely on their mother for warmth and food until their armor hardens. By a year old, they're ready to strike out on their own. This cloning strategy helps armadillos quickly populate new areas. It's a marvel of nature's creativity. The armadillo story stretches back 60 million years to ancient South America. Their ancestors included Glyptodon, giant 2-ton armored beasts the size of cars. Early humans may have used Glyptodon shells as shelters. Armadillos migrated north during the Great American Biotic Interchange, but most early species went extinct. The modern 9-banded armadillo made a comeback in the 1800s, crossing the Rio Grande. Its adaptability and resilience have fueled its expansion ever since. Today's armadillo is a survivor, descended from a lineage of giants. It's a living link to a prehistoric world. The backyard armadillo is a testament to endurance and evolution. Armadillos have a complicated relationship with humans, sometimes seen as pests, sometimes as roadkill. Yet they're also valuable allies, controlling insect pests naturally. They're one of the few animals that can carry leprosy, but the risk to humans is extremely low. Habitat loss is their biggest threat, with some species now vulnerable to extinction. Armadillos remind us that every creature has a role in the ecosystem. They teach us about resilience, adaptation, and the value of being different. Next time you see one, look past the shell. See a living fossil and a master of survival. The armadillo deserves our respect, curiosity, and protection.